Okay, so today we're gonna do a game. So we're gonna put the timer on for 5 minutes. We're gonna see how many foreigners that we can find, and we're gonna include, we'll see how many we can see of Filipino or Indonesian. We'll count them as one, and we'll see Portuguese, and we'll see foreigners. And the last game we played. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And the last game we played, we saw 3 Portuguese. We saw some Filipino that we weren't counting on. So I'm just gonna start scrolling around and we're gonna see what we can see. So let's see, timer's gonna start right now. Okay, let's find out what we can see. Well, let's see how many we can find in a 5-minute period. So we're gonna walk by this busy spot. I think I'm gonna see some Filipino if I go up near the McDonald's, because a lot of them like to go up near this little place in front there. I think we see a couple right there. So, okay. So we just saw 3. So 3 were behind me. If I went up here, I'd probably see more. So so those 3 that went by, that one is number 4. I don't want to say it too loud, so that one was a foreigner, but he was maybe, hard to say, could have been Filipino, but maybe Indian or another one. So, but this area is a good chance we'll see some foreigner, because this is a popular bus stop. And we'll just see in this park right here, we'll probably see some. I think those are the 3 that we saw earlier. Those are number 1, 2, and 3 directly in front. And sometimes we'll see some over here. So we'll just take a look. Let's see, we're gonna keep on. I think we see, those are the same 3. There's number 4. Let's see, I think right here might be a couple more, I think. Okay. So this is kind of a popular place that we would see some foreigners if we did. Let's just see. So we're just gonna stroll. We're just gonna show you around a little bit. And I think what we're gonna do is go down that one alley. And we'll just see how many minutes we have left. So that's definitely another one, so it's 5. That's 4. That was 4 right there. So there's original, 3 of our original, so that's 4, 7. Oops, we have to wait for this one to come out. So what are we at now? 8. So we're gonna keep on strolling through, and we're gonna take a right down this alley, and then we'll see. So we've seen at least 8 Filipino, I think. You can always check my counting later and see if I did it right. Sometimes it's easy to get a little distracted. Okay, so let's see. So we're gonna go right up this alley and we're gonna see. What are we at right now? We're at okay. So we're looking for foreigners, looking for non-Chinese. Let me see. Everybody here is waiting for this place. It's popular. Let's see what that place is. This is a I forget the name of that, but it's like fruit juice. So that's filled with fruit juice. So let me just see what else is around here. More food over there. Chukai, I think some kind of dumpling. Okay, we're gonna keep on going. What are we at for our minutes? It says 4 minutes here, but I think we did an introduction that was at least 30 minutes, so 30 seconds. So it's got a minute and a half. So we're gonna keep on walking here. So So far in this area, everybody, oops. The other thing we have to take in mind is that any foreigner that's here, lives here because it's during the coronavirus time. So our doors are closed, so nobody new can come in. Let's just see here. Possibly Filipino, possibly, but probably Chinese. A lot of times you'd see Filipinos here. I think there's one with a, might be Indonesian right here, I think on the right. Yeah. Maybe, definitely a foreigner, not an Indonesian. She looked like she was, she had more Caucasian features, so maybe like Turkey or anywhere kind of like that. She had the Muslim scarf, right? So okay, let's just take a look here. Let's see if we can see any down here. I think those guys are Filipino, so that's... I think so. They had tattoos. So I think that might have added our count to 4 more, I think. Okay, the camera battery died, so unfortunately I don't know exactly where it died at, but these GoPro batteries are really short-lived, so they don't last very long. So unfortunately. So let's just kind of see where we ended. I think that, I don't know if the camera caught it or not, but I did go around I did find out that the 4 with the tattoos, I went behind them and they were Filipino. And then there was another Filipino that walked by, so that was added to 5. And then across the street there was another foreigner that came by, so I added to the foreign count. And there's another foreigner there. And so, anyways, that's basically our countdown. So we were able to find. Well, I think there's. Depends if we're still counting, but we just keep seeing a couple more. So we'll end right there in this beautiful spot, right in the square with these buildings right here.